Right, so just a bit of an update about the supersonic crossbow, what I got from tacticalarchery.co.uk. I'll put a link in the description and I'll put a screenshot of their website now. So when you get the crossbow, it has no sights on it, so they say about putting a red dot or whatever. Yeah, I suppose you probably could put a scope. It's a Weaver rail on it, not like an air rifle dovetail one. So I had a look online to see if I could get some open sights for it. I managed to find some very cheap open sights. They just about fitted it, but very loosely. So I had to just bodge them on a bit. But the only thing is, once I got them, I noticed they're so cheap, they're almost, kind of like, seem like something would go on a kid's toy or something. I'll show you them. So this is them on there. They're flip up sights. So they create a set of open sights. Now, I'm not saying this is going to work, this is just a test. I'm going to try it. These may be too close together, just may not work in general, but I wanted to try it first. If it fails, I'm going to get, I've got an open sight that will probably fit on this, and I'll whack that on it and then we'll do some shooting tests. I'll do some shooting tests with this on it. The only thing is, I noticed it was so kind of wobbly and seemed to want to slide back and forward. I had to ram, just about see it there, and you can just about see it there. I had to cut the inside of a biro off. An inside of a biro, look. I had to cut a portion of that off and ram it in the gap to keep it sturdy. May work, it may not. I like open sights, that's partly why I wanted to try it. You can see there how it would look, just about. So that's what I've got. Whether they're too close, I'm not sure. I'm going to try it anyway, no matter what. So I've just got to sort out a place I can shoot this safely, and then we'll do a shooting video. But yeah, some open sights. Whether they're too close or not, I'm not 100% sure. The only way I'll know is if I try it. And as long as they stay still. Got a little bit of wobble, and like I said, they're very cheap. They're very just cheap plastic, so it may break. They fold up for some apparent reason, not sure why. Right, anyway, I'll try it and I'll let you know how it goes on this crossbow. Right, cheers for watching, I'll see you later.